Good morning, all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the last problem we are discussing? Can you tell? Okay.
Sir, the two cases possible.
Let us go ahead with our discussion. It's an inclined plane. This is 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Okay, this is A 2 by 3. Between this 1 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The system is released from rest. Find the acceleration of A, tension in the string, understood this? This is what.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to find the direction of frictional force is first thing what do you have to assume for finding the direction of frictional force? We should
We
assume
have to find the direction of
if
movement.
there is no friction. Okay, then what will happen?
C moves down the plane, A moves up the plane.
This is 2 mg cos 45. This is T. Whereas coming back to this is the tension as this
Sine
force
45.
is pardon.
Sine 45, no, sir.
Now obviously you can see that this is more than this, no? If you take this compared to this, which tension is more? This is more than this or not?
Yes, sir.
This is more than this. So therefore what will happen? A moves in which direction?
Up the plane.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello. That means frictional force will be in which direction?
For A, it will be down. and for the it will
Therefore,
be up.
till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Note on this. Follow this.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes,
Now
sir.
frame the equations for this block. If this moves with A, this moves with A. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you have, hope you understand this directly if I write.
Yes, sir. Sir, minus F also will come.
And this is,
E minus 2 mg sin 45 minus F1 is equal to MA.
if I add, what is it you get?
mg sin 45 minus F1 minus F2 is equal to 3 MA.
That means this implies, this is all we assume, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? From this
Yes, sir.
equation, what do you have?
mg sin 45 is greater than F1 plus F2.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Put it on that.
Yes, sir.
Now find the limiting frictional force F1 max is mu1 mg cos 45. What is mu1 man? 2 by 3 mg 1 by root of cos 45. Keep like this. What is F2 max?
1 by 3 mg to 1 by 3 into 2 mg cos 45.
How
4
much
by
you are
3
getting?
cos 4 by 3 m cos 45. 4 by 3 mg cos 45.
Now you can see mg sin 45 is less than 4 by 3 mg cos 45. Na?
Yes, sir.
That means,
Greater than.
do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That means our assumption that the blocks accelerate is wrong, no? That means the blocks will
Yes,
not
sir.
accelerate. Understood this whole story?
Yes, sir.
This is contradicting our assumption. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So we assumed that there is some acceleration. We found one equation and we proved that that is not true. That means our assumption that
It's wrong.
blocks acceleration is wrong. Shall I turn the page?
One
Sir,
minute.
we can find by finding angle of repose also.
You cannot. How you will find? Mass m is not known, no man.
Yes, sir.
Let us see angle of repose for this. You found that way. You return this?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. See, I think here the process what we have done is we assumed some acceleration. Then we arrived at some condition, no?
Yes, sir.
After that, what we have done? After that, we found understood this. This is
Yes,
what we
sir.
have done now.
Yes, sir.
Clear? What is the condition we got this here?
Only sin 45 is greater than f1 plus f2.
So now here this is one way. As the other boys and boys suggested, let us check. We'll check angle of repose. Tan alpha 1 is how much for A? 2 by 3. Yeah?
3. 2 by 3.
2 by 3 is around 0.6. Okay, 7. Now you can see tan 45 is 1. No? So this should be angle.
Below 45.
Tan is an increasing angle. No?
Yes, sir.
Blocks move only now, man. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Block must move, no?
Yes,
So you
sir.
cannot, but because of other forces, it is not moving. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
That is also 45 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
So by looking at the angle of repose, we cannot make conclusions. Shall I turn the page?
One minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Now there is second part for this. You can check for this. What is the second part? Tension in the string, no? See, for block B, if you look at this, now what is limiting friction for this?
1 by 3 into 2mg cos 45.
Do you agree with this? Mu2 is how much, man? 1 by 3, huh?
1/2.
Huh?
Yes, sir, 1 by 3.
1/2.
Yes, sir.
Now, which is greater, man? If you compare this is one third of this, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
This is sine 45. No?
Do you agree with this?
Sir,
Yes,
F
sir.
limiting is 1/3 2mg cos 45 only. Mu s into n. N is 2mg cos 45.
Correct only.
Sir, you wrote, sir, in the down.
Hmm.
Sir, more down. Last
Hold down, sir.
line.
The
You wrote
last two
2mg
steps.
times 45. Sir, that not, sir. In down, more down. Last step. Sir,
Hmm.
2mg cos 45. No, that is.
This is correct only.
Sir, F limiting is 1/3 2mg cos
Cos,
45.
cos, cos, cos. No, no.
No, sir. Sir, you are comparing. Na?
See, I am comparing this, man. The pulling force is more than F limiting. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? That is what we need.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That means block B
Will move
has tendency to move in which direction?
downwards, sir.
Upward.
Do you agree with it? Therefore,
Yes,
friction
sir.
acts in which direction?
Upward.
Upward.
Up.
Because it has a tendency to move, the frictional force will be what? Limiting friction. So this is the frictional force, this is the tension. Acceleration is zero, no?
Yes, sir.
So you will get tension. See, you got this or not? Got this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I remove this?
Yes,
Now we are asked to find another aspect. What is that? Third one.
section of 8.
See, on A, this is the tension. And what is this? You have mg sine 45. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Which is greater? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
This you can write like this, if you multiply by root 2.
Yes, sir.
If you compare this and this, t is more than that, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
t tends to move in which direction?
Upward.
So friction acts.
A tends to move now, sir.
Downward.
So friction is
Downwards.
this is. Do you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Shall I turn this? So for equilibrium,
Sir, you got meter.
T already you got. How much you got T? T
So
you know,
2 by
get friction. Now you can see understood this.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
You turn the page.
Yes, sir.
One minute, 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Abrar, you posted on problem, no?
Yes, sir.
It is something like this. No pulley, sorry. There is no pulley. The string is connected with another string. They are knotted like this. He gave 30 degrees, huh? This is 40 Newton. What is the other one, man? Not clear.
I will check and say.
Huh?
I will check and say, sir. 1 minute, sir.
80 or something. 80, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
is 80,
80.
sir.
80.
80, sir.
Hmm?
81 is, sir.
Okay. Assuming it is 80, what he needs? A block. Find the quotient between the block and the tabletop. He is asking this. Great.
Yes, sir.
What is there in this, man?
Sir, I didn't understand what did he do, sir. That he dividing something.
No, you don't look at that, man. Why do you look at that? This is one string now. This is T1, T2, this is T2, this is T3. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now this is Mg. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the limiting friction? Did he say the blocks are moving at equilibrium? Static friction is saying.
No, sir. Not yet.
Static means he is asking find mu s. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
move the page bit rightward?
Hmm?
Yes,
Do you agree with this?
yes,
Do you agree with this?
yes, sir.
See, for this point, this is 60, no?
Yes,
What
sir.
will be this?
T3 cos 50.
சொல்லதா? Now this for this knot you have this point. I can write directly now. I hope you'll understand this.
I'm still. No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Agreed. This is
Yes, sir.
nothing but 80. T3 is 80 by sine 60. You will get
Sir,
T1
80G
equals,
na, sir.
huh?
80G will come na, sir. T3
Hmm?
sin 60. T3 sin 60 is equal to 80G na, sir.
No, no, this is Newton, no?
No, sir. T2 minus 80 will be.
Correct, no?
Sir,
Correct,
Yes,
T3 is
no?
sir.
that.
It is
Wait a
not
minute.
mass 80 Newton.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is
Yes, sir. Got it,
T3?
sir. Got it.
Now for block 1, T1 must be equal to force of static friction, no?
Yes, sir.
What is there to do in this one? Simple question, no? See, any assignment I am sending, the solved example you don't do. Don't go to the solution. You try. That fellow will give some directly one equation he'll give, you won't understand.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Never follow others. Be a leader for yourself. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Usually, I don't honor your doubts. Is all are simple questions only you'll be asking. Compared to the problems which I am doing in the class, are these not simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But why you feel difficulty, you look at that solution. You won't understand. That fellow will read in 2 lines something. That is only a practice one for you. You use your own techniques and do. Follow my notes, attempt the assignment, you'll get a sheet, that's all. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And don't think this chapter is difficult. Everything, if it is difficult for you or every student of your age, it will be difficult. మంచిదే కదా. ప్లాన్ చేసేసుకుంటా.
ఆన్ చేసుకున్నాను చెప్పులు వేసుకుని ఫస్ట్ బాగాలేకపోయి ఇంకా తిరిగి ఇచ్చేది ఇది ఇక్కడికి ఈ ఇంటికి పక్కింటికి వేరే
No, 1 minute can you show that last page, sir? One last one.
Pardon?
1 minute can you show that last page, sir? Last time I missed.
Last page.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here. Visible?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకే అవి మళ్ళీ
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
One second. One second.
Yes, sir.
రైట్ ఉందా
అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక్క నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్ ఉందా?
ఉంటుంది
నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకుని ఎందుకంటే బయటకు వచ్చి
ఇచ్చేది అందుకే వేసుకుని చూసుకుని నేను రిటర్న్ చేయడం ఉంది కదా లేకపోతే ప్రాబ్లం 8 ఇది 7 అనుకుంటుంది
7 9 పట్టుకొస్తే Hello?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, sometimes some other problems will be like this. See, we are having 2 blocks like this. Okay. See, this is between M1 and this is mu1, M2 and this is mu2. Follow this? No, tight. Now we are supposed to find the acceleration. There are several cases we have to discuss. So let us discuss first case. If acceleration of this is greater than A1, what will happen? Do you agree the front body will be coming down now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the other hand, you have to check all this. A1, that is acceleration of M1, is more than A2. What will happen?
Together.
These are the two possibilities. Hope you understand this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood this? See, we do not know actually therefore, we arbitrarily will be assuming that blocks accelerate downwards. It's an assumption. And we'll prove if that assumption is correct or not later. Earlier we don't know.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. After that, we'll draw the free body diagram of this. Clear? So this is M2G sin theta. This is N2 M2G cos theta. There is a normal reaction between them now. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for the other block, is it visible or not? Now for this other block, if you take, what are the forces on this? This is N, this is M1G sin theta, this is N1 M1G cos theta. Follow this? Any doubts are there till here?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Now for this block, what is that you have? Friction will also act now. What is the direction of friction? Upward. Do you agree with this? On this
Yes,
also
sir.
it is upward. Now as the blocks have tendency to move down, what we assume, you can frame the equations. M2G sin theta plus normal reaction minus F2. That means M2G sin theta plus normal reaction minus what is this mu2 M2G cos theta equals M2A. For this body, what do you have upper body? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
F1 is how much? Understood this?
yes, sir.
Now from these two, this is one equation, this is the other equation. Understood
This
this?
M1G sin theta minus F1.
Correct or no?
M1 G sin theta minus F1 na sir. F1 is moving.
Yes, sir. M1G sin theta minus mu1 M1. Sir, down.
Both sir, both.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Skeleton,
Minus
M1 G sin theta, 1 second wait, minus a plus n. Okay,
minus.
both are minus. Okay.
Yes sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes sir.
So now solve to find what?
Acceleration.
Get that fast. Let us see. After that, you can solve or not.
Sir, we can solve.
Do it carefully. Come on. ఇదేనా కర్ర యాదం తెచ్చి
కింద ఉంది కింద అక్కడ కింద ఉంది.
మీ పెట్టేమంటే మనకు దాని మీద అగరబత్తి పెట్టుకుని
పెట్టు. Yes.
Any answer you got, man?
Sir, acceleration I got as G sin theta minus of mu m1 plus mu m2 into G sin theta divided by m1 plus m2.
Got this?
Yes sir, got sir.
This is the method. You have to follow in the same way for any problems. Till here, you got this?
Sir, for finding only you have to substitute that a value.
This one.
Yes sir, for finding n normal.
You can, no, you can eliminate A from this now. Multiply this by M2, this by M1, subtract, it will cancel. Now what is there in that? Why to substitute? Multiply this by M2, man, this equation.
Yes sir.
This equation I will just subtract over.
Yes sir, got it.
Okay, anyhow, by doing so, see, you will be given numbers. You don't worry about that in the questions.
Yes sir.
See, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you observe this normal reaction, see, if you have mu1 is greater than mu2, n is negative. This implies that normalization negative means what?
M1 and M2 are separate. They will move
Will
separate.
not be in contact now.
Yes, sir. They will move separate.
Therefore, n will be 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Great. So, what will have A in that case? Find out A. You have only agreed.
Yes, sir.
Following what I am saying,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Following.
Yes.
follow this,
Yes, sir.
and similarly you get right here. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, the accelerations will be differing if there is a contact between them. Otherwise, there won't be any difference in that. Previously, what you derived, that one only will come. Any doubt?
Doubts.
And it's better if you can just see this one. Means above block mu is more, then what will happen? Automatically the blocks will move separately
Yes.
because there is no more opposition for this compared to this now.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn?
Just a minute.
Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Try this. This is point 1 it seems. Now you can see here, hello, if you observe this, mu1 is less than mu2, no?
Yes, sir.
This implies that blocks move together, no?
Together.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is the total force down the plane? And the frictional force on this is mu1 mg cos 30. And on this mu2 into mg cos 30. Do you agree with this? This is the total mass of the system. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how much you are getting. Answer is given as Newton's laws. You have done man all the assignments.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You got almost all. Ln, resonance, everything I have given. Na?
Yes, sir.
In Ln, friction is also there, I think, in that Ln assignment. They mixed that and gave. Actually, it's a part of friction, Newton's laws only, no?
yes,
You
sir.
checked, you
Yes,
verified
sir.
that? You
Yes, sir.
verified?
In Allen, it's their friction.
Okay. Resonance I gave. What else you need? That's all, no? Chaitanya I gave. Narayana I posted. Yesterday I posted, I think, Narayana.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yesterday
sir.
you posted.
Yesterday.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So I posted Sri Chaitanya, Narayana, Ellen, then
Resonance. Resonance.
what else is there? Vedanta also I posted, I
Yes,
think.
sir. Vedant.
And assorted, that is motion classes, I'll post. More than enough if you do all this. And you have HC Varma, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, you are.
Do friction is separate from now on. Try to do HC Varma also. First complete HC Varma. 30 questions will be there, you'll have confidence. Newton's laws and friction you complete, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Human, you'll definitely get advanced if you go on working. And friction only, this Newton's law, physics only decides your rank, final rank. Competition will be based on this. Reason is most of the people, this difficult subject. So those who do better, they'll get better rank. Can Benji car be possessed by everybody? Yeah?
Oh, sir.
Cycle?
Yes, sir.
So physics is
Yes.
like Benji car. Unless you put lot of effort, you cannot acquire that. And one who has Benji car will be definitely having high respect. So if you're good at physics, automatically you'll be very good at engineering. You'll excel in life. Okay, anyhow, till here you followed. I think 11 o'clock you have Krishnamohan class, no?
Yes.
Right, right. Tomorrow we shall continue.
Thank you, sir.
Right, right. See, tomorrow I'll start the class by 9 o'clock. Be ready. Now, all these
Yes.
Yes,
days,
sir.
there's a problem with one transformer. There used to be power delay. Now it has been repaired. Today it is completely functional. Yesterday only it is functional. I forgot that and I thought it won't be there. Because I take classes in another place. That another place means a separate house. So I did not aware of that. So anyhow, From tomorrow, don't take into consideration that the class will be delayed. 9 o'clock I will start. Okay? Right
Okay,
then.
sir.
Take care. Bye, 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 bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye. గోపులన్నా గోపులు
మంచం కింద గీడుండే గీడుండే
గోపులన్నా అక్కడ ఇంకోటి ఉన్నారు కదా అడుగుతున్నా